मैं थोड़ा शाय हूँ फ्लर्टिंग के मामले में.
Are you serious? Do you get hints?
Hints, yeah, I can read well, but I'm very shy. मुझे देख लिया, अभी फिल्म को भी देख लिया.
हाँ.
So I think like when I was a kid only, I saw a lot in my life, like emotionally. Janvi, you have no idea. चलो, I'll say this for the first time, okay?
Okay.
जब से मेरा गाना है और जब से वायरल हुआ है और ट्रोल हुआ है, मेरी इतनी एंगेजमेंट बढ़ गई है कि जानवी lives here.
Oh, मैं बहुत ट्रिगर हो जाती हूँ.
But now it's fine. Now we are on a date now. So
It's like your brother.
yeah.
Do you see him in
I know where this was going.
Yeah, of course. I have to. And just by the way, I also realized.
Did you share her name?
Yeah, like बताओ दोनों भाइयों की गर्लफ्रेंड जानवी. तो मतलब second date हम Valentine's पे कर रहे हैं.
हाँ. God bless us.
Yeah, that also. Just getting comfy as a passenger princess, huh? There's something so special about being a passenger princess when there's a cute guy driving you around. और मेरा cute guy, I mean Veer Paharia, is just on his way.
Hello, Janvi.
Hi Veer.
Very nice to meet you.
Come.
Are you going to be driving today?
नहीं, मुझे ड्राइविंग नहीं आती.
Okay.
आपको ड्राइव करना पड़ेगा. I'm just the passenger princess.
Okay, तो मुझे आज आपका ड्राइवर बनना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, I would rather say date.
I'm ready for that.
And that's why we got you this nice Tata Nexon.
Oh, how beautiful. Looks
I
like a
love-
Batmobile.
Wow, it would be so nice to go on a drive in a Batmobile though.
We should know in Tata, so make in India.
चलिए.
Let's do it. जय माता दी.
So we're going to your school first.
Yeah.
And उसके बाद हम मेरा कॉलेज देखेंगे.
ठीक है डन.
हमें अंदर गलियों से घूम घूम के ढूंढना पड़ेगा आपका स्कूल क्योंकि अब इन्होंने सब खोद रखा है.
What is that code? Sometimes the wrong path takes you to the right destination.
ओह, वाओ. तो प्यार के मामले में कहाँ जाने का इरादा है?
तो मुझे लगता है ये कोट जिंदगी में हर चीज के लिए काम करता है.
हम्म.
पर है तो बहुत सुंदर गाड़ी है.
है
मुझे
ना?
लाइक दिस यार.
यार मुझे ना गाड़ियों के बारे में ज्यादा पता है ना. मैं ड्राइव करती हूँ तो मैं बहुत यूजलेस हूँ.
काफी अमेजिंग, लाइक अमीरी वाली फील आ रही है इसमें. ये देखो ना क्या गियर है यार.
गाड़ी की इतनी तारीफ करो, मेरी कब करोगे?
मैं थोड़ा शाय हूँ फ्लर्टिंग के मामले में.
Are you serious? Do you get hints?
Hints, yeah, I can read well, but I'm very shy.
तो मैं hints drop करती हूँ, फिर बताना.
Okay, done,
If you caught it or not by the end of the date.
done.
Yeah, so do you go out for drive on a drive date and all? Have you done these romantic drives with any of your partners ever?
हाँ मतलब मैं डेट को लेके हाँ गया हूँ.
That smile tells me there's a story.
Yeah.
That smile tells me there is a story.
I love drives because एक ड्राइव में एक आदमी का जो टेम्परामेंट है वो टेस्ट हो जाता है. Check that.
Oh, Skyforce.
Yeah.
I have an interesting thing to tell you though.
Tell me, you saw the film?
अभी तक नहीं देखी, गाली मत देना please.
ठीक है, it's okay.
बहुत busy schedule है, but I'm dying to watch it.
मुझे देख लिया, अभी फिल्म को भी देख लिया.
हाँ. But dad ने देखी, he liked it. My dad is a naval officer,
Okay.
retired now.
Okay. तो आपको बीचेस पसंद है या माउंटेन्स?
I love beaches.
Same.
Oh, so you're a water baby then?
I'm a water baby.
What's your
Full.
zodiac sign?
I'm an Aquarius.
Ooh,
What about you?
I'm a Scorpio.
Oh. What do you think your trait is?
You know, I feel like when it comes to Scorpios, they have a lot of emotional depth.
मुझे लगता है आपने मुझे डिस्क्राइब कर लिया.
Are you serious? Are you like an emotional person like that?
Yeah, I think all artists are emotional, no?
I think emotions के बिना character development कहाँ होता है?
हाँ.
आपका character development कहाँ हुआ था?
So I think like when I was a kid only, like I saw a lot in my life, like emotionally. I think I've spoken about it a few times, but I think like my parents' separation took a toll on me as a kid. And then heartbreaks growing up, moving many cities, many schools. So like not a fixed group of friends ever.
Yeah, that really. How did you manage to stay an introvert after doing all of that? Because honestly, as a Fauji brat,
हाँ.
मेरे साथ भी ये हुआ है, and I think B तो never had the option to be an introvert again. So how did you manage to go through school and be an introvert?
So I didn't really have too many friends. So I would like spend time with myself. I would watch movies. I had like a small group of people that were like-minded, and that's it. I think when I was a teen, I think I was dating someone for a long time. And yeah, I think that was like kind of my only friendship I had.
Wow.
Yeah.
But are you somebody who loses themselves in a relationship?
Yeah, fully.
Like
What
you're
about
like gunga bhera anna types.
It should be like that, no?
हाँ मतलब होना I have my own reservations about it.
Mm-hmm.
But
Tell me, what is your relationship like? By the way, this is my school. Oh wow, and that's like a billboard.
oh
that-
wow,
is that-
आपके स्कूल के बाहर आपका बिलबोर्ड लगा है. मुझे नहीं दिख रहा, मैं अंधी भी हूँ actually. I hate wearing my glasses and I go blind into things, which is also what I do in relationships.
Okay, wow.
मैं अंधी गूंगी बहरी हो जाती
I
हूँ.
feel sorry for your exes who are watching this.
But has that happened with you? Have you seen any red flags that have really like bordering emotional abuse, gaslighting, manipulation? Ever experienced something like that in any of your relationships?
I think relationship. I don't think I've only got heartbroken once. Otherwise, like it's always been like mutual or whatever with an understanding. But at different times in my life, I've had like different relationships, and I think they all teach you something good and bad, right?
Yeah.
A lot of things. So I don't, fortunately I've not like faced any physical abuse, but emotional and gaslighting and telling you not good enough and all, and like negative for your growth.
Yeah,
That
like
is-
sort of eating away at your self-esteem.
Yeah.
How did you deal with that?
I ended the relationship. See, I think you have to cut off, and you have to go. If you love truly, madly, deeply, you are going to have a turmoil.
Yeah.
You're going to go deep into shit, and by deep I mean deep. I think it's too early for me to talk about what I went through because it's just my first film, and like I'm going easy on everyone. But I think the time will come when we will talk about it.
Yeah,
And
second date.
मैं तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत टाइम हो गया डेट पे जाके.
Really?
Yeah, and this is my favorite kind of date. Like I love driving.
So you just oh wow, I love it.
God bless us.
Yeah, that also.
Yeah, I think like this is my favorite kind of date because it's the most private, most conversational. But tell me one thing. Do you think you have a vice, like anything you're addicted to?
I think I do a lot of negative self-talk.
So explain. So like you tell yourself.
Like I'm
This
very
is
hard
not
on myself. I have kindness for the world, but not for myself. What about you?
हाँ यही होगा. I think yeah. I'm a little hard on myself, and I feel like I need to over prepare and over. Yeah.
And are you somebody who can't deal with failures easily?
No,
like
no,
are
I
you?
deal with it. I had it all my life.
Wow, I can't deal with failures. I'm very bad at it.
Really?
Yeah.
Like मुझे तो इतना है कि मेरी पहली पिक्चर चल गई है और मुझे फील ही नहीं हो रहा कि it's like a win, I feel like
what next? Oh, I get it. Oh my god, I do the exact same thing.
Yeah. So sometimes like like Janvi, I went for a screening 2 days ago.
Hmm.
I forgot that I was in a film because I didn't want to take it seriously and let it go to my head or anything that I did a film and this is a big achievement and all. Although people tell me you should calm and you should put a pat on your back and all, I don't believe that. So, but something somehow happened and then I was like, let me just remind myself like of small wins in life because that's what it's about, right?
Yeah.
My whole life for 10 years I worked for this. For 20 years I've dreamt of this. So I left the screening and I went to Audi 5 and I went to Audi 6 and 9:45 show houseful, 10:30 show houseful. I went front row पे एक सीट थी, खड़ा था साइड में and I was watching myself and then I came back and then I continued watching it and then I was like okay चलो I feel good. Now I can have a caramel popcorn. Now I can relax. But I've been so hard on myself, yeah.
And usually people are like, people get rattled by trolling, and I am not. And from where I stand, I see you're not bothered.
I love it. I
It's-
live for it.
But how did you get to that point where you're like, it's nice, let it happen?
Arey matlab, like my whole life I've wanted, I've looked up to actors who get trolled and like who have lookalikes and they become a meme. I've become a meme. Can you imagine? I'm immortalized with this dance. मतलब जानवी मुझे 20 दिन पहले कौन जानता था? अभी मैं यहाँ लंगड़ी करूँगा वो लोग पहचानेंगे मुझे. हाँ.
See the J.
You are the J, right?
I'm the J. That's true. But tell me, are you someone who looks at other people's?
मैं यहाँ बाल कटवाता हूँ.
यहाँ पे? हाँ के मालूम? Oh wow. But
you ask me trolls. मेरे को तो इतना मजा आता है मुझे लग रहा है कि अगर मैं ट्रोल नहीं हुआ तो क्या हुआ यार. जानवी, you have no idea. चलो I'll say this for the first time, okay?
Okay.
जब से मेरा गाना है और जब से वायरल हुआ है और ट्रोल हुआ है, मेरी इतनी एंगेजमेंट बढ़ गई है कि जो भी उसके बाद मेरे इतने दरवाजे और इतने एवेन्यूज खुल गए हैं मैं 2 शादी में परफॉर्म करके आ चुका हूँ। दुल्हन के साथ मैंने वो लंगड़ी वाली स्टेप करी है। मैंने दूल्हे को बोला है कि मेरा 5वां राउंड हो गया, अगर मैंने 2 और कर दिए तो दुल्हन मेरी हुई। बट एवरीथिंग लाइक so many work opportunities have opened because people now know who I am. I've got a hit song.
Yeah, I mean, come on.
I've got weddings, which is every actor's dream, to be able to dance and perform at weddings.
Yeah, and if you're happy making fun of me, great, go ahead.
Hot date मिली मुझे इस ट्रोल की वजह से, तो मजा आ रहा है यार।
Worth it.
Yeah, then
Wow.
I don't think ever anything is bad. जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है।
But yeah, when it
जो
comes-
ट्रोल करने वाले उनको मैं प्लीज विश करूंगा कि और ट्रोल करें ताकि मुझे और शादी
और
मिले।
engagement मिले.
हाँ, और मैं नोट कमाऊं।
Thank you for filling my bank balance.
Yeah, thank you very much.
But tell me, are you also somebody who takes lessons from people around them, their relationship, like your brother?
Yeah.
Do you see him in
I
Ranveer
know
and
where
like-
this was going.
Yeah, of course. I have to. And just by the way, I also realized,
Did you share her name?
yeah, like बताओ दोनों भाइयों की गर्लफ्रेंड जानवी काफी confusion हो जाएगा. It'll be straight out of Bollywood movie.
I'm not going to give you a comment.
You just like I see the I can see you.
You're going to cut a reel out of this.
Of course, you're turning away like that.
Hmm.
But बताओ, do you actually take a lesson from their relationship, or is there somebody else in your like any of your friends that you sort of do relationships?
You know, Janvi, I gave an interview previously
Hmm.
and somebody badly edited it for another question, moved my answer around
Hmm.
and made me look like an entitled bad guy.
I promise you that will not happen.
It's like, what do I say? No, I think I have a fair understanding now of what I want in a partner.
Hmm.
And right now, I just want to like focus on work.
So are you like somebody who's, if you're focusing on work, you can't like do deal with the relationship. You just want to keep it very clean.
No, I've of course I've worked and I've dated, and they can coexist.
Hmm.
I love this road, huh?
Yeah, this is
Proper
nice.
Khandala vibes.
Yeah, actually.
But yeah, nothing like that. No, I don't. There's nobody like everyone has their own things, and I have many. In fact, I'm not kidding. After I'm done with this date, I'm going for a friend's wedding. A very close friend of mine is getting married. So 6:30 in the evening, I have to go rock his barat. And,
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And the Dulhan's father is going to perform the Langdi dance, which he told me yesterday.
Oh my God.
So yeah, there. What about you? Where would I find you? Nice
You
color,
talk-
huh?
The red?
Yeah, no?
Yeah.
Not your type?
I love red, but I just don't wear red.
Okay.
But a red car, yes, it's so hot. And are you somebody who would also put up pictures of a partner in your room?
Yeah. You'll come to my bedroom now, you'll find.
मैंने स्टोरीज सुन ली है वैसे भी.
क्या?
मुझे स्टोरीज पता चल जाती.
क्या?
Seems like both brothers are alike.
Both brothers are alike in terms of, no, we are very different. Media doesn't know him at all. Like, we're very different.
Really?
Yeah. And they only know what I'm showing. And I'm very different.
Sorry, I'm unable to process
Okay.
your
Shut up.
command.
Yeah, नहीं हमें नहीं सुना हमें.
Shut up! Janvi lives here.
Oh. Do you all chill together?
Yeah.
But do you ever feel like a third wheel with them?
No, I don't chill with only them, na?
So yeah, in a group.
Yeah.
But
I chill
कभी
with them, but not only them always.
But कभी हुआ है उनके साथ थर्ड व्हील वाली फीलिंग आई हो?
नहीं, मेरे पास भी डेट होती है ना.
No relationship like अरे सब लोग डेट कर रहे हैं, what am I doing?
नहीं.
What?
Yeah,
How
how
are
about
you
you?
so chill in
How
life?
about you?
मैं तो वैलेंटाइंस के आने से पहले ऐसे हो जाती हूँ कि I don't want to see a couple on the road, I will shoot them. मैं बहुत ट्रिगर हो जाती हूँ.
But now it's fine. Now we are on a date now, so you won't be single this year.
Yeah, हाँ. तो मतलब सेकंड डेट हम वैलेंटाइंस पे कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
Another drive.
हाँ.
I like the idea.
We're good now.
Not such a bad idea. But see, now I don't have to hold my phone.
Amazing. Like your pet doggy.
I'm on a leash. स्कूल के टाइम पे, कॉलेज टाइम पे यहाँ पे कभी डेट करी है? जैसे डेट पे यहाँ पे कहीं
वॉक किया. हाँ, मैं आगे वहाँ जो खाओ गली है ना, वहाँ जाता था.
But with this, we will have to of course end our date क्योंकि I'm sure अब काम है. Oh,
Very sad. I hate
ending date?
the end.
Are you serious?
Yeah.